Good morning, students. Welcome to Grammar Online class. Today we will learn lesson 2, parts of a sentence. Every complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicates. A sentence can be divided into two parts. Subject. The subject is what or who the sentence is about. Predicate. The predicate is what is being said about the subject. In other words, it describes what is happening. So, in a sentence, it is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Once again, I am going to tell what you mean by subjects. Subject tells whom or what the sentence is about, whereas predicates tells what the subject is, does, has or feels, includes verb. Please take out your textbook, page number 7. A sentence can be divided into two parts. The person or thing spoken about, that is known as the noun part, it is subject, whereas what is said about the person or thing, that is known as verb part, it is known as predicate. So, a sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. The first part, that is the noun part, which is known as subject, whereas the other part, that is known as the verb part, which is known as predicate. Remember, the subject of the sentence is always a naming words. If you have any naming words or a pronouns, you can say that is a subject. Whereas the second part of the sentence are known as the predicate, and predicate has a verb in it. It tells us about the subject. See, look at the pictures and read the sentence given below. Lina has a doll. The sun rises in the east. Bears are fond of honey. Lalit is eating bananas. In this sentence, the person or thing spoken about is known as subject. And what are the subject? Lina, the sun, bears, Lalit. This all comes under subject. Whereas, what is said about the persons or things, that is known as predicate. Has a doll, rises in the east, are fond of honey, is eating bananas. These all are predicate. So, in this sentence, the sentence is divided into two parts. First part is known as subject and the second part is known as predicate. And how you will know which is known as the subject? The subject is the person or things that is doing an action, or the person or things that is focus of the sentence or the naming words. And how you will know it is a predicate? The second part of the sentence is the part that contains the action, and it is a verb that is known as predicate. So, I think it is very clear. You can understand which all are known as subject in the sentence and which all known as predicates in the sentence. Here, Lina, Sun, Baz and Lalit, they are spoken about in the sentence given above. They are the subjects of the sentence. Whereas the sentence 1 to 4 tell us about the subjects. So they are the predicate. Hope students you have clearly understood what are the parts of a sentence. The parts of a sentence is divided into two parts. One is subject and the other is predicate. The noun parts, the first part are known as the subject, whereas the second part, the verb part, are known as the predicate. Thank you students for listening the class. Please practice and read this lesson. Take care. Be safe at home.